Ready?
No.
Happy birthday.
And one more drum.
Oh, okay. Once we get the drum hooked up, can we sing?
Wait.
Are you ready?
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maeve. Happy birthday to you. Say happy birthday, Maeve.
Happy birthday, Maeve.
Hope to see you soon.
Give me a symbol. Can you hit the symbol to end it?
Say we miss you. Nice one, Finn. Say we miss you, Maeve.
I miss you, Maeve.
Ciao, ciao. Hope to see you soon.
Let's go see Maeve.
Yeah, let's go see Maeve soon. And Miss Heidi and Mr. Ben?
Yeah. I want to go see Maeve.
Okay. Say see you later.
I wanna go in Maeve's house.
You want to go to Maeve's house? That sounds fun.
I wanna go in Maeve's house.
Okay, we'll go soon. Say see you later.
I thought